Hail, Holy Queen. The world is not different. We can sit here and pretend. We can boast that it's less bad, but not that it's better. The woman is still under, and I don't mean below, but beneath society. Her skin is still fragile. Her period is still taboo. Her scars look like tattoos. The woman is still not valued if she's not fertile. So while we must sit and send her to school, we crumble when she speaks out. They say, as a woman, she should be docile and subservient. They say she should wail in silence, lick her wounds and laugh, even when angry. So they hold her, hoping she stumbles, hoping she fumbles, and then crumble. So they hold her hand, hoping she lets go. Because though they don't say so, it's hard to let go of the privileges they gain from her suppression. So we stand here pretending. So we put up a sham, a perfect sham, to praise the woman, but we still hang on, we still cling on to the memories of our oppression. We still love for her to do the dishes even when she's heavy. We still tell her, your place is in the kitchen, even though she works like us. So, hail, Holy Queen. Your punishments exceed your sin. You are a slave no matter the color of your skin. And though I partake in your slavery, I still hold you in high esteem. So wear thy crown, sit on thy throne, mount the rostrum, and tell us a story from a point of view. A poem by Conrad N.N.